welcome to all in our St. Xavier School, Botat. Good morning to all. I hope you enjoyed your mini vacation. Now today we will continue our next lecture. Chapter number 1. In last video we see how we recognize poem of O Giraffe Giraffe. I hope you learned it. Now today we will continue other things. And chapter number 1. What is the chapter of title? Two stories. Means there will be two type of stories that we have to learn. And today what we will see in this video? Hard word. What we will see? Hard word means new words, and that meaning we will see. So let's go to our next slide. You have to write this heading hard words. Number 1, what is this spelling? We don't know, so we have to first read the letters. W-H-A-T. W-H-A-T. What is happen? What? W-H-A-T. What? What means when we want to ask any question, at that time we use this word. What are you doing? What's happened? What you do? What is your name? Like that, when we have to ask any question, we use this word what. Okay students, now number 2. What is this spelling? T-H-I-S. This. What is this? T-H-I-S. This means when any things, any person is near us, at that time we use this. See, this cursor is near this word, so I use T-H-I-S. This. This is near, this cursor is near this word. And when I put far, that cursor is near this. At that time we use that. When cursor is far, at that time we use that. And cursor anything, any person is near any things person, at that time we use this. See, this finger is near apple. So what is written? This is an apple. Fingers is near this apple. That's why what we wrote? This is an apple. If this is one, so we use THIS this. But there are many things, many person and near us, at that time we use this one, this. THESE, this. Okay? And when many things are there, plural, at that time we use R. And single things we use is. Okay students? Now next. Difference between THIS this and THESE this. See, this man point this flower. See, finger is near, so we use this. And if this girl point this flower, then it will be that. If anything is far, then will be that, and near than this. This is a flower. One flower is there, this is why we use THIS this. But if see many flowers are there, then we will use THESE this. And plural time we use ARER and singular IS. Okay? Now next. Number 3. APPLE. APPLE. What is this? Very good. Apple. 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 You all like na apple? I also like. Now see. Eat one apple a day and keep a doctor away. Means you have to daily eat at least one apple. Now next one is EAT. Eat. Eat means we are eating lunch, dinner, snacks. That is it. See, this girl is eating fruits and juice, and this boy is eating salad. So it is eat. When we do something in our mouth, At that time, what words use? EAT, eat. See, eat healthy food and be strong. Means many of students are not eating chapati and sabji, so they have to eat chapati, sabji, milks and be strong like this both. Okay, so today is your homework that all of you have to drink healthy milk. Okay, students. Now see how he is flying. Yes, very good. Now next one is mad. MADE, mad. Mad means in Gujarati I told બનાવવું. Mama make na something, it is mad. See, many of items are made in India. This type of logo we see in many things. So that this thing is made means બનાવ્યું. ક્યાં બનાવ્યું છે? તો કે ઇન્ડિયાની અંદર. Okay, this is mad. Now next one is mud. MUD, mud. Now it is rainy season. So what is happening? Yes, in Gujarati it's kicchad, garo. Then English what we told? MUD, mud. And many of students like to play in mud also. I also like to play. Next, see, now rainy season, muds are there, and then what will come? Frog. FROG, frog. In our house you can see this type of frogs and you worried na? Yes, this frog is this. Now next one, SEE. C means look. You are looking something. At that time we told SEE. And next C is SEA. See, pronunciation is same, but spelling are different. SEEC means we want to see, look at something. And SEAC means this type of C. Yes, big. Very good. SEAC. Okay, now I hope you all understood this, and this you have to write in your notebook 2 times. Only hard word spelling you have to write. Thank you, students. Be safe, be healthy, keep smiling, keep learning, keep reading. Take care. And last one, bye-bye.